Hiring an agent could be a huge gamble, and let me tell you why. A lot of agents are going to be going to you, or especially when you're interviewing, they're going to tell you they're the greatest, they've done so many homes, they've sold so many homes, they know the market in and out, they have a great marketing plan. But how can you identify the right agent? Let me tell you something regarding agents. A lot of them actually care more about their commission than they care about helping you. The ones that do care a lot about their commission, they're going to put their own interest first before your own interest. I had a story, actually a few stories, where I had clients and my team had clients where we worked together, and because of the relationship that we've had, they trusted and they wanted us to make sure that we get compensated even we were working with for sale by owners. And that's because we were completely honest with them. When we were showing them homes, we identified red flags. We identified good things, even with for sale by owner homes, even though they know that this is something that we might not get compensated fully on, or not the way that we were supposed to get if it's on MLS, they still wanted to work with us because they saw the value that we were providing them. If you are interviewing an agent, make sure that you interview them and actually see what they have done in the past with other clients. Find out if they really care about themselves more than you.